Hello everyone, welcome to Luscious Sweetly's new little endeavors. Currently we are where CITITRENDS is. It's a plaza here in Sanford, Lake Mary location. As you can see, I'm walking up to this store called Truebins. Truebins originally started off as those bin stores where they would get Amazon returns or so and sell them, you know, do the $5, $3, $10, whatever days. And it didn't quite work out. So now it is an indoor flea market. So as I was saying, this is now an indoor flea market. You can find many different things, tchotchkes, clothes, used items, people fixing jewelry, detergents, clearance items, brand new items, collectors things and all. And I'll show you what the address is here. So if you're in the area, you can come check it out. As you can see what the hours are. So Sundays 12 to 5. So let's check it out. So this is how the indoor flea market is. You can find a lot of different things, different items, people making stuff. And oh, is that the coconut? Is that the coconut? The Luscious Sweetly coconut that she has made? Oh, what are you selling today, coconut? Yeah, and if you looked as I was walking in, if I caught it, I hope, there's actually a laundromat right next. So we got some nice deals. You can come in. Look at the different things that are being sold. Right? Some more detergent stuff. Okay. Clothes. Up and lunchbox. Like I said, you can find some collector's things all around here. You got paintings, jewelry. Nice little historical things around here. Right now I am currently doing a lot of different flea market things all around. So the next stop, there's going to be a Toys for Tots big thing in Sanford Mall, May 27th to the 28th. It's supposed to be televised. We will have food trucks. That's another market I will be at. That is a Saturday, Sunday. If you don't already know. End of May. 27th, 28th. Alright. Different tchotchkes. Things are being made. The lights. Elephants and all. Like I said, if you need jewelry to be fixed, they will do that too. Lots of different things you can look at. Please come out and look forward to finding something unique. Missed the spot. Just wanted to show you all these great things. You never know what you can. Ooh, I like those glasses. Look at Alvin and the Chipmunk.